In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an article on Medium. If you're ready to share your writing with readers on Medium, the process is simple and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full publishing flow so you can go from a blank draft to a live article with confidence. To get started, sign in to your Medium account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you begin, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click the Write button. This will open a new draft where you can begin creating your story. Now it's time to draft your article. Start by adding your title at the top. Your title should clearly reflect what your article is about, since this is one of the first things readers will see. Under the title, begin writing your content. You can type directly into the editor and build out your story naturally from there. Take a moment to review your writing as you go, so your article is clear, polished, and ready for publication. Once your title and content are in place, look for the Publish option. Click Publish when you're ready to move forward. At this stage, Medium will ask you to choose topics for your article. You can select up to 5 topics, and this step is important because it helps categorize your content and makes it easier for the right audience to discover your story. Try to choose topics that closely match the main subject of your article, rather than picking broad or unrelated categories. After you've chosen your topics, the final step is to click Publish Now. This makes your article live on Medium and available for others to read. Once published, your story will appear on your profile and can begin reaching readers through Medium's platform. Before you hit that final Publish button, it's always a good idea to quickly check your title, content, and topics one last time. A short final review can help you catch small mistakes and make sure everything looks the way you want. But once you're satisfied, publishing is just that easy, and that's how to publish an article on Medium. Follow these steps anytime you want to share a new story, and you'll be able to get your writing online quickly and smoothly.